Car Bluetooth FM transmitters enable hands-free calls, music streaming, and safer, wireless driving convenience. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth FM transmitter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Guanda Technologies Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Guanda 4-in-1 Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter is a versatile car accessory that enhances both entertainment and safety on the road. Supporting Bluetooth, UDisc, AUX in/out, and TF card, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone, XA 15 Pro Max, Android phones, Samsung, LG, Sony, iPads, and more. The 1.8-inch colorful LCD display clearly shows Bluetooth connections, FM frequency, car voltage, music info, and a lively music spectrum, all on a flexible 360-degree gooseneck for optimal viewing. With 5 hi-fi stereo EQ modes, it delivers crystal clear sound from MP3, WMA, or FLAC files through your vehicle's speakers. The built-in CVC noise suppression ensures hands-free calling and smart voice navigation are clear and reliable. It also functions as an intelligent car charger with dual USB ports, 18W fast charge plus 5V/2.4A, and multiple safety protections, making it a must-have for anyone seeking music, connectivity, and convenience while driving. Now our second product is ONN-FM Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The ONN Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and essential car accessory, designed to make driving safer and more enjoyable. Its bright 1.44-inch LCD display shows incoming calls, FM frequency, and battery voltage, allowing distraction-free operation while keeping your focus on the road. The flexible, rotatable gooseneck lets you adjust the screen and controls to the perfect viewing angle for maximum comfort. Equipped with advanced noise cancellation technology, it delivers clear, high-fidelity audio for both calls and music, minimizing static and road interference. With stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, pairing is faster, signals are stronger, and latency is reduced, ensuring seamless hands-free calling, music streaming, and navigation. The transmitter supports multiple input options including Bluetooth, USB, microSD, TF, and AUX, while dual USB ports provide fast, simultaneous charging for iPhones, Android devices, tablets, and GPS units. Compatible with 12V 24V vehicles, this FM transmitter is ideal for cars, SUVs, and trucks, offering convenience, connectivity, and superior audio quality on every drive. Our third product is Hundrup Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Hundrup Bluetooth FM transmitter is a powerful upgrade for any car, transforming your vehicle's audio experience. Its innovative noise filtering design reduces FM interference by up to 80, while the dedicated bass button boosts low frequencies by 120, delivering deep, rich sound and hi-fi quality from any car stereo. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 and a 15 meters (50 feet) range, it ensures fast, stable connections for seamless music streaming and crystal clear hands-free calls. The transmitter also features 60W high-speed charging with dual PD30W USB-C ports and one QC 3.0 port, allowing 3 devices to charge simultaneously without slowing down. One press CH+/CH tuning makes finding clear FM channels quick and easy. Hands-free calling and voice assistant support keep you focused on the road, while the LED display provides real-time voltage monitoring. With 7 ambient light colors for night driving and broad compatibility with 12V 24V vehicles, this transmitter combines convenience, safety, and premium audio performance. Now number 4, Joyroom Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter is a premium, all-in-one solution for seamless in-car audio and charging. Its upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 chip ensures ultra-stable connections, quick 1-second pairing, and automatic reconnection, eliminating lag and dropouts for uninterrupted music and hands-free calls. Equipped with dual mics and CVC 8.0 noise reduction, calls are crisp and clear, blocking wind and road noise for safer driving. The adapter features a one-click bass boost and hi-fi stereo technology, delivering immersive, dynamic sound for an enhanced music experience. With 81W fast charging via PD45W and QC 3.036W ports, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously, supporting most fast charging protocols for iPhones, Androids, and tablets. The bright 7-color LED light bar improves night visibility, while the built-in voltage monitor alerts to potential battery issues. Safe and universal, it includes overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat, and short-circuit protections. Compatible with 12V, 24V vehicles and nearly all smartphones, this transmitter is a versatile, stylish, and reliable car accessory. And our last choice is Octeso Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Bluetooth FM Transmitter car adapter is a versatile and powerful addition to any vehicle. Featuring dual USB ports, including a QC 3.0 fast charging port, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously, reaching 80 charge in just 35 minutes, while the secondary port doubles as a U-disc input for music playback. Enjoy immersive hi-fi audio from USB drives, smartphones, tablets, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, delivering clear, stereo-quality sound for an enhanced driving experience. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, it ensures fast pairing, stable connections, and reduced audio dropouts. The built-in high-performance microphone with CVC noise suppression provides crystal-clear hands-free calls, while voice command support for Siri and Google Assistant allows safe, hands-free operation for calls, texts, and navigation. Multi-layer electrical protections, including overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and short-circuit safeguards, ensure reliable and safe usage. With wide compatibility across smartphones, tablets, and vehicles, 12V-24V, this Bluetooth FM transmitter combines convenience, safety, and high-quality audio, making it an essential gadget for every driver. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.